Alright, hey guys, Cole here, welcome back to another video. So, for the past like 2 or 3 years, I've been using CustomNPCs 1.12.2, which is what I've been suggesting for the past few years because the latest version of this mod is for 1.12.2. As you can see, if we go to the files, you can see here, the highest one is for 1.12.2. And we've been stuck on this version for multiple years. It's been a long time. 1.12.2 is an old version, and I honestly thought this mod is probably discontinued, which really sucked because, you know, 1.12.2 is old. I was hoping it'd get an update, but it hadn't got an update in 2 years, so I was thinking, oh, it must be discontinued. Then I stumbled across the creators Discord, which you guys are not going to believe what I found. In here, if you go into the custom NPC section and into snapshots, the creator of custom NPCs has been working on versions of this mod constantly. Like almost every day, he's been releasing an update to the mod for 1.16.5. So for a while now, there's just been other versions of this mod that I haven't known about. But anyways, since a lot of people don't know about this, I'd like to share. So, yeah, 1.16.5 is here. These are only snapshots, but it gets updated like every day. And so far, I haven't found a single bug. These versions work fine. So obviously, there's going to be an invite link to the Discord in the description. You can join here. Go to the custom NPC section, go to snapshots, and right here in the changelog, you can see all the fixes. But in the snapshots, that's where download is. All you want to do is click on the download for the latest one. Download it wherever you want to. And then once it's downloaded, I'm going to go into the Minecraft mods folder. The easiest way to do that is to go Windows R, type app data, press OK. File Explorer will open up. Then go to roaming.minecraft, and then you will find mods. And then you can just stick your mod in here. Alright, so I've just finished loading into a world. This is 1.16. As you can see, we got new textures and everything. All these dudes are here. This is just the world that I do all my thumbnails in, so just don't mind all this random scenery. But you can see here we have our NPC wand, and everything works fine. Okay, so you're probably wondering what is actually the point in updating, because there's not a whole lot of differences for things that you would use in thumbnail making. But the best thing I noticed is the fact that 3-pixel arms are now a thing, and you can actually use it, and it works. So it's so good. It's so good. I'm so glad this is finally a thing. So you just want to create your NPC there by right-clicking on the ground, and then go to your model, eyes, press none, and then you want to go to entity, and then right here, see NPC Alex, right here, okay? And then you just press right here, type in the IGN, so I'll just do my IGN. Check this out, 3-pixel arms, and it works. And before, you could actually do this, but posing would not work at all. But guess what? Posing works. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. So yeah, we're able to do everything. And everything's a lot faster feeling as well. Okay, so that's it for the video. If you guys did enjoy that, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.